What is the name of the semi-high speed train introduced as a part of Indian Railways modernization? The correct option is option C, Vande Bharat Express. Vande Bharat Express is India's first indigenously built semi-high speed train designed for faster travel with modern facilities. Next question is, which technology is being implemented in Indian Railways to enhance safety and prevent train collisions? The correct option is option A, Kavach. Kavach is an indigenously developed train collision avoidance system (TCAS) that enhances rail safety and prevents accident. Indian Railways aims to become a net zero carbon emitter by which year? कौन से साल तक इन्होंने ये सोचा है कि करना है ये? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए 2030. Indian Railways has set an ambitious target to achieve net zero carbon emission by 2030 by adopting renewable energy and electrification. Which initiative aims to upgrade railway stations with world-class facilities under Indian Railways modernization? The correct option is option B, Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. The Amrit Bharat Station Scheme focusing on transforming in railway station with modern infrastructure, better passenger facilities and digital integration. What is the name of the indigenously developed locomotive with 100% electrification capability? So the correct option of this question is option A, VAG 12B. VAG 12B is India's most powerful electrical locomotive developed under the Make in India initiative to support freight transportation. Next question is, which types of energy is Indian Railways increasingly using to power its train stations? Thermal energy, nuclear energy, renewable energy, fossil fuels. The correct option is option C, renewable energy, solar and wind. Indian Railways is installing solar panels and wind energy systems to power trains and stations as part of its sustainability efforts. Which railway corridor is being developed as India's first bullet train project? The correct option is option number B, Mumbai to Ahmedabad. The Mumbai to Ahmedabad high speed rail corridor is India's first bullet train project using Japanese Shinkansen technology. Shinkansen, like Shinkansen. The PDF of this questions are provided in description box. You can download it from them. Next is, what is the primary goal of the Gati Shakti cargo terminal policy? The correct option of this question is option B, to boost free transportation efficiency. The Gati Shakti cargo terminal policy aims to increase logistic efficiency by developing modern cargo terminals. Under which project is Indian Railways planning to introduce hydrogen power trains? The correct option is option B, Hydrogen Express. The Hydrogen Express initiative is focused on introducing hydrogen power trains to promote green solar energy in railways transportation. What major technological upgrade is being used in railway signaling system for better efficiency? The correct option is option D, electronic interlocking system. Electronic interlocking system provides railway signaling, reducing delays and enhancing train safety. Next is, which public-private partnership triple P initiative is being implemented for faster trains in India? The correct option of this question is option D, private train operation model. The private train operation model allows private companies to operate modern and high speed trains on select routes for better services. Next is, the dedicated freight corridors DFC aim to improve which aspect of Indian Railways? The correct option is option C, freight transportation. The dedicated freight corridors, Eastern and Western DFC, are being developed to improve logistic and reduce freight transport time. That's it for today. If you like the video, then share it other one as well. Till then, keep learning and subscribe the channel also.